Hi, I'm Yanni from Javiani.com, and in this video I'm going to tell you about a platform that you can use to generate leads for your making money online business. So it's only about making money online niches. So if you are in another niche, just skip and let's go to the video, and remember to subscribe to the channel.
Welcome to this video series in which I'm going to be talking about a hot traffic method that you can use to get instant traffic and get leads for your business. Okay, and what I'm talking about is this platform or network that you can place your ad on. And first of all, actually, I should note that this network, if it's only for people that are in the internet marketing niche or the make money online niche. So if you're in any other niches, most likely this traffic method will not work for you. Okay. Now, if you are in the make money online niche or the biz op niche, hey, this is perfect for you. Okay, you get to watch over my shoulders as I place an ad campaign on this network. I'll go over why you should use this platform, and I'll also give you some tips on how to increase your conversions. So with that said, I'll see you in the following videos. Now let me just go over why you would want to use ClickFunnels to get leads for your business. Well, one good reason is there are more than 5 million registered members, as you can see right here on the ClickFunnels network. And these people on this network are looking to make money online. So if you're in the make money online niche or the internet marketing niche, this is perfect for you. And a lot of these people, they're just sitting all day viewing ads, and that's how they make money. You know, they use ClickFunnels to try to make money online. They're viewing ads. They also fill out surveys, and there's tasks they can do. I might go over some of these ways to make money in another video. But these people are making cents, just a few cents, just viewing ads all day long. Okay, now what if you could advertise to them and present to them a better way to make money online? And what's great is a lot of these people, they're not on several internet marketers lists being bombarded every day with offers. Okay, so I mean, if you look at solo ads, when you get leads from buying solo ads, a lot of the leads that you get, they're on several other marketers lists already, and they're being bombarded every day with offers in their inbox. Okay, so that's a great thing about getting leads from ClickFunnels, is that they're not being bombarded every day in their email inbox. So if you try to market to them through email marketing, you know, there's a good chance that you'll be able to get your message across to them. In this video, I'm gonna go through the first step of placing an ad on the ClickFunnels network. So we would just go to advertise, manage my PTC advertising, and they've outlined the steps here to placing an ad. There's only 3 steps, and it's straightforward. So the first step is to purchase ad credits. So to do that, we would just go to buy, and you could buy anywhere from 500 to 1,000,000 ad credits. And for 500 ad credits, it's only $1. So that's another great thing about advertising on the ClickFunnels network, is you could get started for as little as $1.10. Okay, for this example, I'm going to purchase 5,000 regular ad credits, and that's $8.80, $20 discount. And so as you can see, the discount grows as the more ad credits you purchase. Okay, and then from here, I just choose my payment option, and I'm going to choose PayPal. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and purchase these ad credits, and then I'll see you in the next video. In the last video, I spoke about the first step that you need to take in placing your advertisement on this ClickFunnels network. So let's move on to step 2. So once you've purchased ad credits and that they've been approved, you would move on to step 2, which here it says to click on the add button to create your ad. So let's go on here, and just basically for the title, you're just typing in the headline, so you could just look at the web page that you're promoting or that you want to drive traffic to, and you could just copy the headline from there onto here if you like, okay, because you want to keep things consistent. And here you put in the URL of your website or the web page that you want to drive traffic to, and then here just put in the description. And again, you could just copy over some of the bullet points or whatever copy you have on your sales page, okay, and then you would click submit and wait for approval from the staff there. Okay, so let's just cancel this. I'm not going to create a new advertisement here because, as you can see, I already have one here that I've used before. Okay, and so what I would do is I would just assign ad credits to this advert. And so this is actually step 3, where it says once both your ad credits and your new advert have been approved, click the button assign ad credits. So basically this is step 3. Once your ad is approved, I already have an ad here, so I'm just going to click on assign ad credits to this advert. Okay, and from here I have my options. I don't recommend the micro or mini, where people only have to view your ad for 3 or 15 seconds. I recommend you go for a standard or extended. For here I'm going to go for, let's see, I think last time I chose 30 seconds. For this one I'm going to do 60 seconds. And I'm going to choose 300 clicks for 5,000 ad credits, which is how much I purchased. And then you could do slow delivery or as fast as possible. So just make sure your server is equipped to handle a ton of traffic. So here I'm going to choose fast, and here you could schedule, but I'm not going to schedule. I just want it right now. Premium filter, I'll just ignore this. Gender, both. And here you could filter by region. You could choose North America only, Central America. So basically you choose the continents. But I'm not going to do that here. You could actually filter by country, which is what I prefer. I prefer to target the United States because most of my customers and leads are in the United States and Australia, and I think one more, which is the UK. So there, I've selected 3 countries. Okay, and I'm just going to click on submit. Okay, and it says here it's been successfully assigned to my advertisement. And then you could just check on the stats over here. And for more details, you could also click on here to get more stats. Now, I just want to share a couple of tips on how you can get the most out of your ad campaigns here on the ClickSense network. Okay, so the first tip I want to share is to tailor your ads to your target audience. And I know that's marketing 101, okay? So in this case, you want to tailor it to the ClickSense members, and you have to understand who you're advertising to. You got to realize that these people are sitting all day long in front of a computer viewing ads for less than a cent each, okay? And there are other ways people make money on this network, such as filling in surveys and completing tasks and playing games, and there's also an affiliate program, but most of them are viewing ads all day long. And you want to approach them, you want to get their attention and show them that there is a better way to make money online, okay? And another tip too, if you're not sure what to say in your ads, you could click on here, view ads, and you could get ideas from the ads that are on here. And some ads, they're continually being posted here, so if they're always on here, you know that the chances are they're working and that they're converting, okay? And also the headline is what grabs the attention. Another thing too, if you're getting ideas here, take a look at this here. It says ClickSense members make $500 a day. So that's really customizing it to your target audience. You could put the words ClickSense in your ad headline. So you could say something like, my program is great for ClickSense members. I know that's not really a catchy headline, but it's targeted towards ClickSense. So you could try to work that in there, use that angle somewhere in your headline or in your description. And I said in another video that you want to keep things consistent. You want to make your advertisement consistent with your landing page or whatever web page you're driving traffic to. And I said that you could also, just copy over whatever's on your landing page onto your ad. Now, you could also do the reverse of that here. So if you customize your ad, let's say you put in your headline, my program ABC is great for ClickSense members. You could also make that the headline for your landing page. Also, don't be discouraged if you get poor results from your ad campaign. You could always improve things by tweaking your headline and your description on your ad, or also tweaking your landing page. Remember, the more customized or the more tailored your ad or your landing page is to your audience, the greater your results will be.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to learn more, go to johnvianney.com, insert your name and email, and get the step-by-step coaching on how to make money online promoting other people's products. And remember to subscribe to the channel.